love. Swear I didn't feel like running tonight, but after we met.
Hey guys, so I got some bundles from a company on Amazon called NOBILITY. So this hair is 10A Brazilian straight hair. The frontal is 14 inches. First bundle I'm pulling out is 16 inches. Second bundle is 20 inches. Last bundle is 18 inches. So 16, 18, 20, and then the frontal 14 inches. Taking the 16-inch bundle out just to show you guys. Talk about soft. Again, this is Brazilian hair, straight hair. It's 10A. 3 bundles plus this frontal. Guess how much, guys? Under $60. Yep. It was $59 and some change. Shout outs to Nobility Hair and having reasonable prices for amazing hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.